Eureka is rolling out the J15 Pro Ultra Robotic Vacuum at IFA 2024. With top-of-the-line suction power and intelligent mess detection powered by Eureka's IntelliView AI tech, the J15 Pro Ultra is a masterpiece of a machine. It can even differentiate between dry and wet messes, extending a built-in mop to tackle all of those slippery mistakes. If there's no mess to be found, the J15 will speed up its brushes to dust your floors for you. These advancements have earned Eureka and the J15 Pro Ultra an Innovation Award from SlashGear. But those aren't the only specs this top-of-the-line vacuum boasts. The J15 Pro Ultra features the latest and greatest in suction power and heat dissipation, utilizing a specially designed aluminum vacuum fan to generate up to 16,200 pascals of suction force. That's more power than you get from a lot of corded vacuum cleaners, but it doesn't just work hard, it works smart, sporting a first-of-its-kind flexi razor brush, which uses a series of high-density vibrating blades to slice up thick hairs and fibers and reduce brush tangles by up to 99%. And when it's done, the vacuum gets to work with a self-cleaning base station to clean the mops, empty the bag, and collect debris, making sure the J15 Pro Ultra is always ready for the next day's cleaning.